Welcome back to Psycho Clown World. Take 2.
And here we go.
The next 3 minutes and 46 seconds of this video, you are going to be watching why the media is losing all credibility.
The television. Never watch the television.
Lie, vision. Telling a lie to your
I
vision.
also mentioned too that a fellow that has been in touch with me for an awful long time, his brother was in the CIA, or is in the CIA. He will never talk about the CIA to him. He'll never give anything away whatsoever, except one bit of advice. He said, never watch the television. Never watch the television. It's the greatest scientific indoctrination tool ever devised. Haven't you figured that out? It's changed the whole culture of nations, not just one nation. Why do you think it was mandatory that everybody in Britain have access to televisions by the government? Why do you think China is under the same program to get everyone to TV right now? Because they love to have you entertained. Do you really think that? And India is on the same route as well right now too. Most of your ideas and your opinions and how you emulate, because you emulate things, you mimic what you see. As Charles Galton, Darwin and others have said in the past. It becomes you become it. And that's what's happened. It's been very, very, very successful. Never watch the television. You can't watch a movie.
Tell a lie to your eyes. Tell lie your vision.
Emotions that get you on. It's interwoven all these emotional themes all through movies. You're played like a harp. And they embed ideas into you, along with the movies, and predictive programming too. So you'll accept that which is still to come. And you'll behave the same way as the characters in the movie when it comes. Oh well, what can you do? I'll just watch much music with television. You're given a mind of your own, and you've got to use it for yourself. And believe you me, if you ever had a nation or wanted a nation, you'd have to make sure that everyone took their turn. Everyone took their turn, just like jury duty, to go in and oversee the guys that are supposed to be taking care of everything on your behalf. It's a tight club right now. It's been
Think, folks.
Because they never intended to give you anything called democracy.
If you're watching the news,
in fact, a republic.
the media,
gangs and fraternities.
look up
the systems
the word
of the countries.
media. It's Greek.
That's how they run.
Where does it come from? Which
And then
god?
taxation.
What is her power? What does she do? Look it up.
That part of it.
It will blow your mind.
And tax is
The
where
world
family
is a
work.
stage and we're all actors and
When they take
actresses
the labor
in
from
it.
you and give you nothing.
Here's a little play on words for you. Farm animal. Farm animal. Does anybody remember Raiders of the Lost Ark at the very end? Where they're taking all kinds of stuff and they're putting it where? In some huge warehouse somewhere. All kinds of stuff all over the place. Like, geez Louise, what could possibly be in all of this stuff? Kind of relates to this meme. This being an FBI warehouse, Seth Rich investigation, Hillary emails, Hunter's laptops, Epstein Island, Ghislaine Maxwell documents. I mean, if anybody paid attention to the case and what all happened, I mean, come on. And now China has announced that tonight the opening of naval exercise in the South China Sea with a radius of 6 nautical miles off the coast of Taiwan. The exercise will continue from this coming Sunday until Tuesday. And so it begins with Taiwan and China now. Interesting. Just remember to keep calm, folks. It's all staged, right? For me telling y'all that Trump is the king of Saudi Arabia. Oh, look, here's Putin and the prince of Saudi Arabia. See see Putin and him here. Watch who walks behind him here. Oh, there goes Trump. He tapped his shoulder and he's like, oh, it's the king. That's right, folks. They're on the same side. This is from a gentleman over on BitChute. And he's bringing up some very good points about this, all of this being lies and bullcrap. I'm going to point out one that he points to, that this is all Freemasonry BS. 1103, 3 times 11, 33 and a third. Do you get that? 33 and a third. They're putting it right here. The other thing, the clarity of this. Look at their faces. There's always something right here shining up. You can't see his face. You can't see his face. You can't see his face. You can't see anybody's face clearly on this whatsoever. They don't want anything to be identified. So they make it blurred. But watch this guy do a breakdown of it for you real quick.
Now with another deadly truth.
He's Jamaican.
And I'm going to keep my foot on their neck with this fake war that they give you. The fake invasion of Ukraine.
Jamaica's eyes are opening.
By Russian army. We go get into it and break it down and show you that it is a hoax. As you could see, the 11-3 right there for your 33 right there on the money. We go get into this and break it down. And you tell me how the news, BBC News, come up with these footage. Make it run.
Dawn in a European capital.
And if you know this, and I can guarantee you, because you can't challenge me on this bullshit. If you know this, why the fuck this film is so foggy? You never ask a question because you're sleeping.
Pardon the language, folks.
Why is this film so foggy, people? If you take out any old phone
opening
and
your
start
eyes.
recording, you will never get this. Why?
That's right.
Because it is fake, 100% in.
A missile.
But of course you can't see it, you sleep.
Floors.
Watch this. I'm going to do a little bit of this here.
Take a look at this right here. It's nothing but a hoax, people. 100% trash. Take a look at this so-called firefighters.
Can't see their face.
Guy with something tied on the foot. You believe it's real? Take a look at this right here.
This person fell.
How did you rescue the injured? You tie that shit on his feet?
Yep.
And where
Look
is
how
the
clean the shirt is, their top is. Look how close they are, and you still can't see their face.
Explosion, people.
Look at the glare.
If you're nowhere near it, you're gonna bleed. Sparks gonna hit
blood.
you. All these rubbles and shit flying around when a bomb hit. Why did you buy
perfectly
this
clean
fake
white
shit
jacket?
and
there's three adults gonna carry this little 9-year-old kid?
Clothes is clean.
Seriously?
Like they just take it out the cleaners and put it on him. Why did you believe it? Because you have no IQ. Look at this right here.
3 adults.
Not even a blood on him, not even dust.
Carrying this little kid.
And you believe they just pull him out of a rubble?
Really?
Move.
We managed to escape.
And take a look at this right here. This proof that is fake to the people who got some sense. Right away, as soon as he so-called get bombed, he outside talking on his phone, and guess what? The BBC News is right there to record it, people, and bring it to the news. It's not real, it's fake shit propaganda.
In the kitchen.
Right there.
It was a direct hit into the living room.
You see that he was a direct hit into the living room and he was in the kitchen, so he get no damage. It's a fake shit, people. 100%
have their legs broken open.
Wow.
The young one was taken somewhere by.
Here's another piece of it. Watch this. Listen.
I don't lose my country.
And listen how this person talk. You tell me this person is from Ukraine, speaking that good, clear English. Wow, and living in Ukraine, people. And of course, they bump up on this person who speak clear English. It's fake shit, people. It's not real. What is so hard for you to understand? You let the mainstream take over your brain that much?
It's got no accent whatsoever.
This fake shit?
So much, you can't even imagine that.
Wow,
It is quite
laughing.
shocking. And right now I'm thinking about...
This one also speak clear English with the orange hair right there in the forehead. They're fake.
He called him an
100%.
taking weapon to my hands, at least to defend my local districts.
See that?
It's
Where is the
amazing.
weapon that you have? Wow.
Think, folks. Really wake up.
To find out. Tens of thousands here.
Now, here we go. Here's the actual footage. And watch this light here.
Very close
This
to
light
this
is
basement,
literally
where people have been
shining
getting
intensely so that you can't see their face.
Do
you see that?
People go to get got.
Did you see that? It's literally there to hide their face. Do you see it? I hope y'all can see it. Look at it. It's just hiding their face. Oh, come on. See it, people. There's the Ukrainian president in July of 2014 doing a music video. What? He's an actor? in the entertainment industry? No way. That's some pretty sick, weird, twisted stuff too, folks. I'll be honest. So yeah, this is me, folks. When everybody starts believing the media for some reason, I'm like, oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. And just when you think things can't possibly get any weirder, the expose, Chile approves a law to protect employment rights of mutants and genetically modified humans. What? Look at this. Prohibits discrimination against mutants or alterations of genetic material or genetic testing. What in the world is that all about? Oh, stupid pop-ups. Are you kidding me right now? This is like, that's official. This is serious well, this just got weird. Holy freaking Psycho Clown World. For those of you who have Facebook, look at this. From February 25th, 2022 by Natalie Winters. We are on thenationalpulse.com. Pfizer is funding Facebook's fact-checking partner. What? What would they have to do with any of that? That doesn't make no sense. Well, let's go ahead and take a look. Start reading down. Oh, they're paying for fact-checking. So why do you think Facebook is getting censored so bad when it comes to the jibby jab? When it comes to the arm spear? When it comes to the Lancelot? Yeah, here's the article. Come read it. Interesting, ain't it? Let's look at this here. What are we looking at? Oh yeah, 9 cameras in Kiev's city in Ukraine. Well, that's a plow truck. Snowing. You got some guy wearing a camouflage jacket. That looks like an old hunting rifle. Like literally, that's a hunting rifle. You can see the butt of the stock here. When it comes up here, that is not like an AK. That is a freaking hunting rifle. That's literally a hunting rifle, folks. I'm looking at it right now. You're talking to somebody from Michigan. I'm very familiar with guns. I've got bolt action rifles. I've got lever action. That right there looks like a lever action rifle or a side by side or over and under shotgun. It's got a 4-end on it. Oh, the Ukraine army is a bullshit. That's a freaking. That's a shotgun. That looks like a freaking shotgun. I want this guy to get out here so I can actually analyze his gun. Come on, step over here, you little pud knocker. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. But yeah, looking at everything else, and it's just all quiet. Where's this big military? Where's this invasion and the fires and the explosions? There's nothing. And this thing has been alive for quite some time. You can look at it at any point. You can come here. In fact, here. Let me do this. Let me back off of this. You guys can come here. This is the YouTube channel right here. Think Unboxing. Okay? You can come over here and look at this. It's always live. And you can come to there. You can come here and you can actually back up and check out different days. This is day 5. You won't find any. It's all bullshink. You want to know how deep and dark this really goes? Check this out. Newser. In legal gray zone, which is Ukraine is, Europeans harvest body parts for us. Ukrainian company accused of gutting bodies illegally. They're doing this for us to have body parts. Ooh, where'd you get that kidney? Oh, where'd you get that liver? Look at this. Oh yeah, come on over here. Give this a read. Look at this, $250,000 in skin, tendons, and bones. Folks, this is getting horrific. Over here at Veterans Today, again, you can hit pause at any point in my videos and you can go back and you can screenshot it and get it yourself. Okay? Take a look. How Israelis' mobile crematories, Israeli as in Jewish mobile crematoriums, why would they even have those? Help hide Ukraine's kosher Nostramass sale of organs. Yes. Are you getting it yet? Bring them in the back of semis, just like this. Which brings us back to this. The moment you realize Putin isn't fighting Ukraine, he's fighting the deep state in Ukraine. Remember, folks, eyes open. No fear, and love is the only way forward.